Adding products to BigCommerce is a straightforward process. Follow these steps. Log into your BigCommerce account. Access your BigCommerce dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to the Products section. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Products tab in the left-hand menu. Add a new product. Click the Add button to create a new product. Fill in product details. Enter essential product information, including title, description, SKU, and price. Include high-quality images to showcase your product effectively. Configure inventory settings. Set up inventory details such as stock level, availability, and low stock alerts if applicable. Assign product to categories. Categorize your product by assigning it to relevant product categories for organized navigation. You can create categories beforehand if needed. Add product variants. If your product comes in different variations, add variants with specific details such as SKU, price, and inventory. Set up shipping and tax information. Configure shipping details and tax settings based on your business requirements. SEO optimization. Optimize your product for search engines by adding relevant keywords, meta tags, and a concise yet compelling product description. Save and publish. Review the information entered, and once satisfied, click Save or Publish to make the product live on your BigCommerce store.